of wrestling, doing the human wrecking ball, Pete Madden!
Is whipped into these ring ropes, it explodes, and they're wasting no time. Pete Madden and Big Bad Ben, toe to toe.
Look out, oh! Well, these two are no strangers to barbed wire matchups here. Madden, clothesline to Big Bad Ben, look out, second clothesline, doesn't go yet, look out, oh!
Wow! That's why they call it exploding barbed wire, Poobah. You can't be mentally right to sign on for a match like this. These two guys, to put it bluntly, Poobah, hate each other's guts. They've fought for 10 years all over the Midwest, and this isn't the first time they've locked up in a match like this. Perhaps the two most important wrestlers in the last 15 or 20 years in St. Louis are trying to kill each other in an exploding barbed wire match.
This one's going to be hard to call, Tommy, as Big Bad Ben calls for a chair from ringside. You see the smoke. That's the aftermath of the exploding barbed wire in which Madden hit the barbed wire first.
And Madden is already busted wide open.
Well, that didn't take too long, Tommy. Big Bad Ben, look out!
Oh!
Chair upside the head. Keep in mind, no count out, no disqualification. This is how we played by the rules here so far. There have been no rules, at adults fucking only. Shot to the midsection there by Big Bad Ben. Madden able to recover. Sets him up, headbutt, right to the Big Bad Ben. Second shot delivered here. Madden. Ooh, big shot.
Now he's got the chair after a kick to the balls and a punch to the chest. Madden using a chair. He looks like he's going to stick it with a DDT.
Head first right into that folding chair. And the human wrecking ball, Pete Madden, in full control now here in this exploding barbed wire matchup.
He's going to whip it in. Oh!
Are we still on? We're still on. I thought we blew the whole damn place up, Tommy.
They're going to set this fucking building on fire.
Ooh, big leg drop there. And here's a cover, two, and Ben gets out.
Both men have been whipped into explosive charges, rings to ropes wrapped in barbed wire.
And cinching up that arm, it's reversed by Ben.
What a well-placed kick. Big Bad Ben, obviously a huge man, but also very quick, very agile, and very flexible for a big man, and he just threw Madden through the back.
Ben with Madden against the ropes they go. Big Man delivers the big leg, and Madden goes crashing into the mat.
Madden is bleeding profusely from that wound on his forehead, opened up by Big Bad Ben early on in this match. And nobody swings a chair like Big Bad Ben.
Look out, Big Man setting him up. Power bomb right up to the chair. That one took a whole heck of a lot to get up in the air. Big Bad Ben went crashing down as well. And here's the cover. Two. C.J. McManus gets in the 2 count.
McManus had the upper hand in this one in the early going, but Pete Madden, we all know how tough he is. The first GCW heavyweight champion. He held that title for nearly a year. He's wrestled in every arena in the Midwest, and many times wrestling his opponent tonight,
Big Bad Ben! And once again, an explosion in the ring. And if that wasn't enough, he sledgehammered him in the back of that chair. And now Ben again showing his agility.
Apparently with as dangerous of a matchup as this one is, the momentum from the ropes triggered off an explosion on the other side of the ring. Luckily, Madden was able to escape injury. As we've said, ooh, there you get a good look at the barbed wire. That's not plastic, ladies and gentlemen. That's the real deal right there. Big Bad Ben, look out. Oh my goodness.
He has Madden draped over that railing, and now he just speared him in the ribs of that chair.
Look out, Ben. DDT on top of the steel chair. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the concrete wasn't bad enough. He put a chair on top of it and spiked his head into the ground.
Well, Madden, it has been a while since he has been in the wrestling ring. He last left us in GCW back this past February. We haven't seen him in the rings for a while, but the ring rust apparently shook it off. 2 big shots with the steel chair by the human wrecking ball, Pete Madden. He gives chase to his arch enemy.
Now he's got him pinned against the wall. What's he going to do now, Kuba?
Look out, Madden has a chair. Drop kick.
Well, it's working its way back into the ring. You can see the smoke filling the room from the explosions. An exploding barbed wire match. You see the ropes wrapped in barbed wire, rigged to explosive charges, and when either man is whipped in, like Ben just was, it might be it. 2!
And Ben gets out at 2. You want to talk about combat photography? It gets no better than this. As we look up, we're in the middle of a Spielberg film here. 2, and a count of 2 as
I'm
Madden
waiting for
gets up.
Robert Duvall to walk off a helicopter, Kuba. The horror. The horror.
Fans backing up the human wrecking ball Pete Madden in this matchup here. Sets him up, suplex there. That's not easy to do with Big Bad Ben.
Dallas, Texas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Louisville, Kentucky, Indianapolis, Indiana. These men have fought each other in each town, and they're trying to finish each other up tonight. A chair soap by the human wrecking ball.
Here's the cover, 2, and a count of 2. Very, very close that time by Big Bad Ben. Madden, you see the face, it's busted up. Big Bad Ben covered in blood as well. As Madden sets up Big Bad Ben. Ooh, that kick him. Both men, ooh, as Madden, oh, look out. It wasn't pretty, but it was effective there by Big Bad Ben. Madden, oh, has a hold of the human wrecking ball by the throat. Look out, picking him up for the choke slam, and there goes the human wrecking ball. This one far from over, Tommy.
Ben kicked out of the chair salt, and now he's choke slam Madden, and he's picking him up off the mat.
Now what's going on? Very dangerous situation here.
He's tying him to the tree of woe.
And Madden's stuck. He can't do anything there.
Look at the blood pouring from that gaping wound on Madden's forehead.
Big Bad Ben setting up a chair right in front of the human wrecking ball. Pete
My
Madden.
God, what's he gonna do, Kuba?
Big Bad Ben. You can't be, you gotta be kidding me, Tommy.
He's going up top.
Big Bad Ben.
Look out below. Oh my God.
2 and 3, and the victory goes to Big Bad Ben.
Wow.